In today's fast-paced digital age, making money online has transformed from a mere possibility to a burgeoning reality. For those looking to augment their finances or kickstart a career path, 2025 offers a plethora of beginner-friendly opportunities. This guide highlights a practical step-by-step strategy to potentially earn $240 a day online, specifically designed for novices. Step 1. Find your niche. The starting point in any business is identifying a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. For beginners, it's crucial to select an area that not only fascinates them, but also has a robust market demand. Pursue online forums, discussion groups, and social media platforms to unearth trending topics or underserved markets. This will pave the way for your entry into an area with less competition and more growth potential. Step 2. Content creation and value addition. Once you've pinpointed your niche, the next step is creating content that adds value. Whether it's blogs, videos, podcasts, or social media posts, your content should provide solutions or insights for your target audience. Investing time in crafting high-quality, SEO-optimized content can help you garner traction and engagement. Using tools like Canva for designs and Google Trends for topic research can enhance content creation efforts without a steep learning curve. Step 3. Monetize through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is among the easiest ways to make money online without upfront costs. Building a website or a blog that aligns with your niche can host affiliate links to products or services from platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Each time someone makes a purchase via your referral, you earn a commission. Focus on promoting products that you genuinely believe in, ensuring a higher conversion rate due to authentic recommendations. Step 4. Leverage online learning platforms. If creating content is not your forte, consider platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. These sites allow you to create and sell courses in any domain you're proficient in, even if it's a hobby like cooking, gaming, or crafting. Online courses can generate passive income once they're set up, earning you money repeatedly. Step 5. Use social media to maximum advantage. Social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are powerful tools for reaching wider audiences. Establish a strong online presence by sharing engaging and related content. Engage with your audience through comments, polls, and live sessions to build a loyal community. Over time, this organic traffic can be directed to your affiliate links or online courses, enhancing monetization. Step 6. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single income stream can be risky. As you grow more comfortable, diversify by investing in stocks via apps like Robinhood or Acorns, or explore captivating opportunities in crypto trading. Having multiple revenue channels ensures stability and increases your financial resilience. Conclusion: consistency is key. Making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires consistency, patience, and adaptability. Stay committed to your goals, keep exploring new trends and tools, and continuously refine your strategy. With time and effort, reaching a $240 per day income is not only feasible, but can lead to sustainable financial freedom. Implementing these strategies in 2025, tailored to your interests and strengths, can not only bring about financial benefits, but also enrich your professional acumen. This comprehensive guide is here to motivate and equip you with the necessary tools to embark on this thrilling online venture.